You're welcome to Design Slider Tech.
This is how to download, install, and activate Microsoft Office. But before we dive in, let us go through this video disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. I do not promote or endorse any illegal activities, including software piracy, cracking, or bypassing genuine licensing methods. If you are not sure about the legality of your Office 2024 installation and activation, you are advised to consult Microsoft's official document or seek professional advice. First, ensure that Microsoft Office is not installed on your system. If it is, open the Windows Start menu, search for Control Panel, and navigate to Programs and Features. I advise you close any running Microsoft applications like Word or Excel and so on. Then, in the list of installed programs, find Microsoft Office and any Office-related program. Select it and uninstall. After the uninstallation, restart your computer to complete the process. Once your system reboots, we can move on to step 2. Open your browser and go to Microsoft's official website. I will help you with the link in the description of this video. When you land on this Microsoft official page, go to Office Deployment Tool and download to save it on your computer. Open the location where the Office Deployment Tool is downloaded. Copy the file or cut it. Go to this PC, open Disk C. Create a new folder in Disk C. Name the new folder Office 2024. A quick one. Click on this card at the top right to learn how to use the online free version of Microsoft Office 365. Now let's continue here. Open the folder and paste the Office Deployment Tool in it. On the Office Deployment Tool, right mouse click on it and run it as administrator and permit the system a yes. At this point, you don't have a choice. Accept Microsoft license terms and continue. It is asking us to select a folder to save the files we are about to extract. Select this PC and under Disk C, select the Microsoft Office folder that we just created. Next, visit this Microsoft website. The links to this official website will be in the video description. Here, expand products and releases. Select the architecture that works on your computer. It is either 32-bit or 64-bit. If you are not sure of the architecture of your computer, just go to your Windows Start and search for System Information. When you open your System Information, under System Summary, you will see System Type. Mine says x64 based, that is 64-bit architecture. I close the system information to continue and I choose 64-bit. Let us select the Office Suites products. Choose Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024 Volume License. Leave Project and Additional Products. In the Update Channel section, go to Select Update Channel and leave it as Office LTSC 2024 Perpetual Enterprise. Select the version and I advise you choose the latest version. For the Apps section, turn on the apps you want and turn off the apps you don't want. Then go next for language. For primary language, select the language that is working on your computer. Mine is English United States. Picking additional languages is optional and may not be necessary. I will also skip additional proofing tools. Click Next for installation. Where do you want to deploy Office from? Keep it at Office Content Delivery Network, CDN. Click Next for updates and upgrade options. Uninstall any MSI version of Office, including Visio and Project. Turn this off. Click Next for licensing and activation. Under Product Key, select the KMS option, as selecting the MAK option will require inputting key digits that we don't have, so we need to use the KMS option. Leave the product's activation as user-based, then click Next. Do not do anything under General, so click Next for Application Preferences. I recommend you leave all these as default. Don't do anything here. Just go down and click the big button, Finish. On the right-hand side, you will see a preview of the configuration settings. Go through it and be sure every detail here is exactly the way you want things to be. Otherwise, if there is anything to change, Microsoft allows you to make adjustments or changes. When all is good and everything looks exactly the way you want it, click Export. Microsoft wants us to choose the file format. Let's choose Office Open XML formats. Give it OK. And we must accept the Microsoft software license terms. Check the box to accept it. The file name should be configuration, just as it is. Then click Export. The configuration XML file will be downloaded to your computer. Pay attention to the location where it will be downloaded. For me, it will be in my downloads. Open the location where the XML configuration file is downloaded. Right mouse click on the configuration XML file and copy or cut it. Go back to disk C and to the Office 2024 folder we created earlier. Paste the configuration XML file in it. Now you have the setup file and the configuration file in here. While you're still in this Office 2024 folder, go up to the address bar, click on it and edit it by typing CMD. Press the enter key and this will open the command prompt in the Office 2024 directory. So let's go to this Microsoft official website and copy the configuration command text provided by Microsoft themselves. The link is already in the description of this video. Back to our command prompt and type in the command text that we copied from Microsoft website. Press the enter key and permit the system a yes. Now, our installation of Microsoft Office will now begin. This might take a while, so be patient. Make sure you have a good internet connection and a good power source. When the installation is completed, we need to activate Microsoft Office. Go to Windows Start and search for any Microsoft Office apps, either Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. Accept the Microsoft License Agreement, and on the left menu, go to Account. If your previous Microsoft Office was activated, this new Office will automatically be activated for you. Otherwise, click on Change Product Key. If you have your Microsoft Product Key, put it in here. If you don't have one, I advise you to purchase one. After you enter your Office Product Key, click Activate Office, then close the app. Wait for a few seconds and open Microsoft Office app again. When the Office apps opens again, you will see this dialog box. How do you want to activate your software? Select the option recommended by Microsoft. I want to activate the software over the internet. Then click Next. Now you should see your Microsoft Office app is working. Watch this video to see how to use the free version of Microsoft Office 365.